Hey, Heidi Rogers here with today's 3-Minute Parenting Playbook. One of the things that I often encourage parents to do if they have something difficult that they're trying to help their child get through, a doctor's appointment, school, you want to set what's called an anchor point. So something at the end of it that their brain can sort of hold on to and anchor to feel more positive or like, okay, I can get through this. So sometimes with adults, we might say, if I have a presentation, the anchor point is that feeling I'm going to feel when it's done and that it's over. Or I'm afraid of the flight I'm about to take. The anchor point is walking into my house and getting a hug from my partner. Oh, that's when I feel, okay, I can get through this flight because I anchor to that thing that's coming, okay? Some parents will often ask me, well, how do I know an anchor point versus like a bribe? Like, how do I know that I'm not, giving them a prize or a bribe and using that as an anchor point? Because one, context. So you're not going to offer them something like, and use the language like, if you get through school today, then we'll get ice cream. If you go to the doctor today and you don't cry during your shots, then you'll get a lollipop. Like, we don't ever want to connect how our kids respond or how they have to perform to earn something, especially food. We don't want our kids to ever think that they have to hustle for food or that they earn food. We don't want to be teaching our kids that. What we do want to do, though, is anchor points. So it doesn't necessarily have to be a prize or a reward. It's just something to look forward to. So for my kids, when I'm having a difficult drop-off time at school, I'll say, after school we can go to a playground and won't that be fun? So there's no connection to if you do this or then we can, none of that. It's just, oh, and what's going to be great after school is we get to go to the park with Maddie. That's going to be so much fun. We haven't seen her in ages. And focusing on that so that my daughter then has that she can, ground to think about of what can kind of keep her spirits up as she's trying to get through the slug and, grind of the difficult day. So you can do things like that of, hanging out with a friend, or we can color together when we get home. The key is how it's packaged. So we really don't ever want it to be food if possible. I mean, you can say we're going to go get ice cream, but it's more around that we're going to be spending time together. Do you know what I mean? I'm not saying that you can never say like, oh, yay, let's go get food. I'm not saying that. It's just you don't want to ever connect it that if you do this, if you stop fighting, if you stop crying, if you have a good attitude about this, or if you do anything that then you earn this, that's what we don't want to be teaching. It's more so that this is just something fun to look forward to. I hope that makes sense. There's a resource that goes with this. If you want to click the link below, you can download that now.